This is our MCombo TV recliner chair that comes with an Ottoman. This is our black color. It's our 4901 model. It takes about 20 minutes to assemble, and I'll be showing you how to build it straight out of the box. I'm taking everything out of the box, and you'll notice a hardware box, the bottom cushion, the backrest, the two armrests, the cushion for the Ottoman, the base for the chair, and then the base for the Ottoman. I've opened up the hardware box, and you'll notice that I have pieces I, piece C, the heat and vibration remote. We also have two parts of part P, the hardware bag containing all the parts from L to O. This is the pump, which is part H, and then we also have our power adapter. Step one is pretty easy. It's pretty much assembling the Ottoman first. We have the base for the Ottoman, the piston for the Ottoman, and the bottom cushion for the Ottoman. The base, you'll actually notice it says front, and the cushion also says front. So we align those two together, and we put 4 screws in, which are labeled M on the assembly sheet. And you simply just want to screw them in. I'm going to grab the base, and I'm going to line up the 2 stickers that say front and front. And then I'm going to put those screws in one at a time. Once I have those hands screwed in, I'm going to use the Allen key that's provided to tighten it down. Once those two parts are together, you can go ahead and attach the Ottoman to its base. And you want to press down. And you're set for the next step. The next step is to attach the base to the bottom cushion of the chair. And we're actually going to use this part to insert it right here. We're going to grab the bottom base and slide it over the top. And now we're ready for step 3. Once you have the base attached to the bottom cushion, your next step is to attach the backrest to the metal frame. The metal frame attaches to the backrest through these holes right here. You see one on this end and another side on right here. Those holes will actually line up with the backrest right here and right here. And you simply just want to line those up together. And you want to insert the big screws through each side. So I've already screwed in one side of the backrest to the arm frame, but I just want to show you real quickly, this is the hole that we're going to line up with this hole on the frame. So I'm going to run the long screw through, and I'm going to do my best to catch the thread. And once I feel that it's screwed in, I'm going to go ahead and use the Allen key that's provided to screw it in faster. And you just want to hand tighten that for right now, not too tight because you will need some adjustment a little bit later. Once the backrest is attached to the frame on both sides, you do have 2 of these turn handle keys that we need to install next. These turn handle keys actually go into the bottom of the frame on each side that we can see right here. So I can show you real quick. You simply just want to insert, catch the thread, and hand tighten. In the hardware bag, we're given a set of nuts and bolts. These nuts and bolts actually attach the backrest to the bottom cushion down here. So you want to be able to line those up. And once they're lined up, you want to screw them in on each side. So I've already installed one pair of nuts and bolts onto one side of the backrest and bottom cushion. Now I'm going to do the same for the opposite side. I'm going to run the bolt through. And I'm going to tighten that down with the hardware that's provided. And now we're ready for the next step. We're getting ready to attach the arms, And to do so, we're given 2 of these metal brackets that are supports for the armrests. I previously installed one already, and as you can see, the other set of holes end up on the outside of the armrest so that we can attach it later. So I'm going to show you how to attach the right side one. You grab your screws, and you want to hand tighten them first, always, as much as you can. And then you want to tighten them with the Allen wrench after. I'm getting ready to attach the right side arm, and I know it's the right side arm because there's a big R right here. It's right side if you're sitting in the chair. So right now I have the chair facing towards the front, so that means that this right side arm is going on this right side. I'm going to line up these 2 holes with the 2 holes on the metal brackets we installed earlier. So this right side arm, I'm actually going to hold on to the case or the pocket for the remote. I'm going to slide it in between the bracket, and I'm going to try to line up those holes just by looking underneath. And once those are lined up, I'm going to screw them in. We're getting ready to finish up the chair. We do need to connect these cables in the back. These 2 white cables from the back cushion and the bottom cushion, we connect those 2 together. This black cable is for our DC power adapter, which gives the whole chair power. We can go ahead and plug that in right now. And I'll plug this into the wall. And then we have our vibration remote. I'll throw the vibration remote over to the front. Make sure that the pins line up. And now we're ready to enjoy our chair. The chair is fully assembled. It only took us about 15 minutes to get it all together. You'll notice that the Ottoman is standing right here. It has a matching vinyl design on the bottom cushion, just like on the backrest. The chair itself spins 360 degrees all the way around. It also features a vibration remote with a power button up here to toggle between intensity, different modes of vibration, and then specify where you want the chair to vibrate. We also offer a pocket for the vibrating remote. The chair reclines when you lean back, and you can also tilt it back forward. And to lock it in position, you simply turn on these handles on each side. The chair is available on our website in several colors right now. The vibration remote offers 6 different buttons. The first red one being the power button, which when you press will start the vibration. We have an intensity button to toggle between high and low. We have a mode button that will actually toggle through 5 different modes of vibration between pulse, press, wave, auto, and normal. And then we also have 3 buttons down here that can specify vibration either on the back, the lumbar, or the thighs.